TransUnion TrueIdentity Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of TransUnion TrueIdentity, a credit score and identity protection tool that's free, effective, and designed for individuals who value security and simplicity. Links to this tool and additional resources are included in the description, so be sure to check them out after the video. Let's dive into the key features, who it's for, and how it performs. TrueIdentity is a free tool from TransUnion that focuses on two main areas: credit monitoring and identity theft protection. One standout feature is the ability to instantly lock and unlock your TransUnion credit report at no cost. This gives you control over who can access your credit information, helping to prevent unauthorized inquiries or identity theft. Additionally, you receive alerts whenever someone tries to access or make changes to your TransUnion credit file, ensuring you stay informed about potential threats in real time. The platform also includes free access to your TransUnion credit score, updated regularly, along with a credit summary to help you understand where you stand financially. While it doesn't offer a full credit report or scores from other bureaus, the focus on simplicity and security makes it an excellent choice for those seeking a basic but reliable credit monitoring solution. TrueIdentity is particularly beneficial for individuals concerned about identity theft, as it includes up to $25,000 in identity theft insurance and access to 24/7 support to assist with recovery in case of fraudulent activity. The tool is intuitive, with a user-friendly interface that makes monitoring your credit and protecting your identity straightforward and stress-free. In summary, TransUnion TrueIdentity is an excellent choice for anyone seeking free and robust credit monitoring combined with identity protection. Its instant credit lock feature, real-time alerts, and identity theft insurance make it a reliable and valuable tool. While it may lack the comprehensive features of paid services, it excels in offering essential protections at no cost. Check out the links in the description to explore TrueIdentity and take control of your credit and identity security today.